This was a little feeding platform that I built and installed. And it gives us great joy to put food out for birds in the winter. We get blue jays, grosbeaks, golden finches, chickadees, nuthatches, different woodpeckers, all kinds of things, red squirrels, gray squirrels. It's our wildlife viewing station. Because the windows are installed right at the ceiling height, if you're sitting down, you have very little view over this lovely landscape, but you do have a great view of this bird feeder, and that works out very nicely in the winter time. You can sit in the comfort of your own home and enjoy the spectacle.